Hello everyone, welcome to another quick tutorial, and in this video I will show you how you can set custom voicemail notification sounds in Samsung Galaxy A42 or A82 5G. So before diving into this video, if you are first time on the channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon. So to set custom voicemail notification sounds in Samsung Galaxy A42 or A82 5G, first of all you just need to go to call settings. So simply just open call settings and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.